Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Subrata Sarkar. I'm a mechanical engineer working in manufacturing industry since last 22 years. Today I'll share with you the topic body mass index. Body mass index is basically the correctness of weight for someone, because weight is not, it is related with your height. Now in this graph you can see the vertical axis of the graph is representing the height of the person and the horizontal axis represents the weight. And there are different zones in the graph you can see. Now in the first zone, if like your height and weight cross at a point and it comes in this zone, then you are underweight. So basically the graph represents like that. You connect your height and weight and the points comes in which zone you are in that category. So first is the underweight, then the normal weight, then the overweight, then obese, then morbid obese. So in this way it can be checked actually, like you can draw your height and draw your weight. The crossing point comes whether in the green zone. Green is absolutely better, yellow is little care to be taken, and red you are is risk area actually, so you need to get back your weight in a normal conditions. So how to calculate the BMI? I have asked many people, more than 80% people doesn't know what is the BMI of them actually. If you ask what is your weight, they can they understand, but what is your BMI? Because correctness of weight is BMI, body mass index. The formula of BMI is your weight in kg divided by your height in meter square. For example, here you can say if your weight is 75 kg and height is say 1.6 meter, then your body mass index is 75 divided by 1.6 into 1.6, that is 29.3. So you can see in this picture, if your body mass index is less than 18.5, then your category is underweight. And if your body mass index is between 18.5 to 24.9, then it is a normal or healthy weight. And if body mass index comes between 25 to 29.9, then you are overweight. And if your body mass index goes between 30 to 34.9, you are in the category of obese. For example, if you are for standard human height, say 5 feet 6 inch, so person having body weight closely 100 kg are obese actually. And severely obese is if your body mass index is between 35 to 39.9, then you are severely obese. For example, say weight range of 120 kg people having a height of say 5.6 inch, 5 feet 6 inch, so they are basically severely obese. And people having body mass index more than 40, less than 60, they are called morbid obese. Say body weight 150 kg and above. And highly morbid obese is if your body mass index is more than 60, say weight is around 200 kg or say 450 pounds, like that. So reasons of obesity is basically, number one is a metabolic disorder. Like whatever you are taking as a food, your body is not in a position to digest the foods actually and taking the nutrition from that. There are a lot of it's actually a doctor can advise in detail. If there is a hormonal imbalance and laziness also and hereditary factors, sometimes it works actually up to a certain extent. For female for post surgery of many different types of surgery, actually it affects. Sometimes medicine has some effect for your increasing your body weight, and sometimes emotional disbalance or imbalance causes your weight gain, or environmental causes sometimes effects, and sometimes addiction also prone to your increase your body weight. You can see this picture actually, this is the number one reason actually for obesity, that is overeating actually. Actually this type of people, it comes under the addiction, like food addiction actually. So whenever there is actually always they try to have some food or something like that. So this results in more obesity or morbid obesity, like that actually. And basic, there are many like some health problems actually, which comes basically for the, if you have gained weight, for example, like diabetes, like high blood pressure, a lot of heart diseases, osteoporosis, sleep apnea, and high cholesterol, gallbladder diseases, fatty liver diseases, and and different some form of cancer is also, due to the overweight actually. And this overweight problem is not in India. Actually, it is a problem with the all countries, and it is more the developed countries actually, where people have less physical work, a lot of mechanization and automations are there. You can see in this picture. Like number one is US. In US, 31% people are overweight, and for in UK is in third position, 23%. But there are also developed countries, in like for say Japan and Korea, but there people have only 3% people has got obesity. Now, so suggestion is like how we can avoid this disease actually, basically obesity. Like we have to eat better under the dietitian's suggestion. We need to walk or run, and we need to have a good sleeping hours, say 8 hours to 10 hours, having good breakfast, and sufficient quantity of water. Depends on your body weight, say 5 liter on an average. Eat a lot of good fruits actually, and you know so hope this informations are, it's not only information. If you this take in real practice in your life, so you will be in a position to control your weight, and you will have a very healthy life. So if you find this presentation is informative, you can share my videos with your friends. If not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, you can subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for your attention.